welcome to Dee's Homestead channel, where we like to do it ourselves because we can. So on today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to jumpstart your vehicle. So let's get to it. Now, if you've already tried to start the car and you just hear a little clicking, chances are you've got a dead battery. So we need to remedy that. All you need is another car and some jumper cables.
Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. Back in the wind, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk it up.
Now the hood release button's usually pretty easy to find. All you gotta do is run your fingers along the inside so you find a little latch.
Tell me what you're working with, attention.
Voila. Then you use the rod here. Feel around, find the latch, and there you have it. You'll have to excuse my super dirty vehicle at the moment. Check the battery location and get the vehicles as close together as you can manage. Cables. You should always have a spare set of these in your vehicle at all times. Now they come in several different colors, but these ones are red and black. Black being for the negative charge, red being for the positive. I think these two colors are the best. They're the easiest to remember. Fully charged battery 1 is right here, which will be going to battery 2. Now this is a Jeep, so I just need to do a little shift-a-roo here on this. It takes just a second. Most cars won't have this, so you don't have to worry about moving anything, but there's my battery in the Jeep. So, battery 1 to battery 2, and the reason we have to get them close as possible is because those jumper cables aren't that long. Yep, looks like it's gonna work. Lots of room to spare.
You gotta keep them separated.
So one thing you never do is let these touch. Make sure that they are separated at all times. Now I'm going to take the black negative to the negative charge on the battery and clamp it on like so. See that? Then I'm going to take the positive and clamp it onto where it says positive. That side's ready to go. And at the same time, I do not have these touching. That would be very bad. Black negative, negative, black clamp to the bolt in the back. Get it on there real good. See, it's clamped. Then you take the positive red to the positive on that battery and clamp that one on there real good. Now we're going to go over to the dead battery. I'm going to take the black negative to the black negative on this one. And now this one doesn't actually have where you can see a positive or a negative. So I'm going to look at the wires behind. That wire's red. This wire's black. That's going to be my indicator right there. So this one's positive. This one's negative. I'm going to take the black negative, and this one's a little different. I'm going to clamp it right there. Okay. Remember, keep these separated. I'm going to take the red positive, put it on there. Okay guys, now comes the fun part. It's all ready to go. They're hooked up. We're going to turn on vehicle 1. to just pump the gas pedal a couple times, kind of really rev it, charge it up. We're going to wait like 1 to 2 minutes, and then it's kind of like a magic trick. Suddenly vehicle 2 should start. Let's cross our fingers and hope, right? Needs just a couple more minutes. Woohoo! We did it, baby! Yes! And that's how you jumpstart a vehicle. Thanks for watching.
Jump up and get down.